Dear students, it is class 10th and we are discussing this AP arithmetic progression. AP now second exercise of this chapter arithmetic progression is we have to find the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can derive this formula also. Sum of n terms of an AB is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now the question is regarding this, how to find the sum of n terms of an AP. Question number 1 is, I think there is no need to derive this. You can try this at your places. Now you have to apply this formula, that is sum of n terms are n is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and you can just apply this formula, because so far as the examination point of view is concerned, you need not to derive this formula, you have to apply this. So let us apply this formula here. And AP is like this: 2, 7, 12, so on, and there are 10 terms in this AP. That means n is given. There are 10 terms, that means n is given, that n is equal to 10. Here a is equal to 2, what is d? D is 7 minus 2, that is 5, and n here is 10. So Sn is equivalent to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 10, this is 10 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, that is 9 minus 1, and 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 into d is 5. 2 1s are 2, 5s are, this is 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 10. 10 minus 1 into 5, that is 9 into 5. So this is further equal to 5 into 4 plus 9, 5s are 45. So this is 5 into 49. So 5 9s are 45. 5 4s are 20, 24. 245 is the sum of 10 terms of this AP. So you can apply this as n is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d for all these parts of question number 1. Now question number 2 status like this. In question number 2a, you have to find first n. Then you can proceed further. Here it is like this: 7 and 10 and 1 by 2 for plus 14 plus so on, and last term is 84. Here a is equal to 7, what is d? D is equal to 10 and 1 by 2 minus 7. This is 10 2 are 20, 21, 21 by 2 minus 7. This is 21 minus 14 divided by 2. This is 7 by 2. So d here is 7 by 2. What is an? An is equal to 84, last term. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equivalent to 84, or you can write here a is what say it is 7 plus n minus 1 into d is 7 by 2 is equal to 84. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal to 84 minus 7. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equivalent to 77. What is n minus 1? This is like this: 77 divided by that is 2 by 7, like this. When you divide, so we will take the reciprocal here. 7 1s are 7, 11s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 11 2s are 22. What is n? N is equal to 22 plus 1. So n is equal to 23. Now we know n. Now we can easily find the Sn, that is sum of 23 terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now this is simple. N, you know, this is 23 divided by 2 into n, 2 into a. What is a here? A is 7 plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 into d is 77. N minus 1 into d is 77. 77. So this is 23 by 2 into 2 sevens are 14 plus 77. So this is further equal to 23 divided by 2 into this is further equivalent 23 into 91 divided by 2. So this is the answer. You can solve further, calculate it, multiply these two, and this will be equal to multiply them. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 9 1s are 9, sorry, 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18, 20. So this is 3, this is 9. So it is 2093 divided by 2. This is the answer. So in these questions you will find first n, then you will find Sn. So this question number 2, there are several parts in this. You can attempt all these questions at your places. Now question number 3 reads. Question number 3 reads. Now here question number 3 is a is equivalent to 5. What is d? D is equivalent to 3 and an is equal to 50. Find n and Sn. We have to find n and Sn. First of all, you will find n. What is the n? Then you will find the sum of n terms. Here we go. A is equal to 5 and d is 3. An is equal to 50. An is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 50. This is given. An is equal to 50. So for a, we write here 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 3 is equal to 50. So n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 50 minus 5. So n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 45. What is n minus 1? This is 45 divided by this 3. 3 15s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 15. What is n? N is equal to 15 plus 1. So n is equal to 16. Now we find n. Now you can easily find Sn. So Sn is equivalent, yes. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is our n? N is 16 divided by 2 into 2a. 2 into a is 5 plus n minus 1. This is 16 minus 1 into d. What is our d? D is this 3. So this is 2 1s are 2 8s are. So 8 into 2 5s are 10 plus this is 16 minus 1. This is 15. 15 3s are 45. So n minus 1 into d. This is 45. This is here given. So 8 into this is 55. 10 plus 45 is 55. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 44. 440 is the sum of 16 terms, Sn. And likewise you can proceed. There are 10 questions in this question. Second question is a is equal to 7. Now you can proceed further in this exercise. Sn, you know how to calculate Sn. It is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is equal to 7. This is part number 2. And a13 is equal to 35. Now what is a13? This you know is a plus 12d. This is 13th term. And 13th term you know it is a plus 12d is equal to 35. What is a? You will substitute here the value of a plus 12d is equal to 35. So 12d is equivalent 35 minus 7. So this is 12d is equal to, this is 28. What is d? It is 28 by 12. So this is 4 sevens are 4 threes are. What is D? D is 7 by 3. Now we know D. What is D? D is 7 by 3. And now we have to find, since the number of terms S13, Sn, we know Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is S13 means sum of 13 terms, that is 13 by 2 into 2a. What is our a? A is 7 plus n minus 1 into D. What is that? It is 13 minus 1 into D is 7 by 3. So further, this is 13 divided by 2 into 2 sevens are 14 plus this is 12 into 7 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So 13 divided by 2 is 14 plus 28. So this is further equal to 13 divided by 2. This is 42. 28, 8, 4, 12. It's 42, yes. 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So this is 13 into 21. 13 into 21. 13 ones are 13. 13 2s are 26, 27. So this is the answer. This is the sum of 13 terms of an AP. Similarly, question third part of this question. A12 is equal to 37. A12, you know what is A12? It is A plus 11D. And D is given. You can find S12 also by applying the same formula. Similarly, fourth part is A3 is equal to 15. A3 you know is A plus 2D. And S10 is equal to 125. And sum of n terms is given, it is 125. You have to find A10, that is A plus 9D. All these parts you will try at your places. And tomorrow, inshallah, we shall proceed further in this exercise. After that, we shall take up another chapter. Still, we have a lot of questions in this chapter. Inshallah, we shall proceed tomorrow for further questions. So, till then, Allah Hafiz.